So on Friday, you wrote about what your future looks like. So you brainstormed what your future looks like in the white space around this circle, and then you wrote about it. My future's so bright. So what is bright about your future? What do you see yourself doing in the future? What does your future look like? Okay, and then I want you to make sure that you reread your paper and check to see if you have capital letters at the beginning of your sentences, if you capitalize proper nouns, if your story makes sense, did you double check your spelling, do you have proper spacing in between your words, and if you wrote your story, you made sure to write as neatly as possible. Okay, so go back, reread it, make sure that it makes sense and you have complete sentences. And then, if you have your writing done, now you can do the project. I want you to find a printer sheet of paper at home, just a plain sheet of paper. And then each of you have sunglasses that are in your material packet. So what you need to do is cut out those sunglasses so that you can use it as a tracer and trace it on here. Okay, so you need to first cut out your sunglasses, and then you will put your sunglasses over your white sheet of paper. Now, your sunglasses won't completely, they won't fill up, they will go past the sheet of paper. Okay, so it will look like this image right here. Okay, the corners of the sunglasses will not show, and that's how it's supposed to be. So trace your sunglasses on the sheet of paper, and then what you will do is you will draw an oval like this, because this is your face. Okay, so first cut out your sunglasses, and then put the sunglasses over a blank sheet of paper. And then you will trace your sunglasses, and the corners will be sticking off the paper, so that won't show on your piece of paper. Your sunglasses should look like this in the end, okay? Then you can draw an oval for your face, okay? And then when you're done with that, we'll draw your lenses inside your sunglasses. Okay, so once you have the face and your sunglasses traced, you will draw the lens inside. Okay, make sure it's big enough because you will be drawing pictures inside of your inside of your lens. Okay, if I was hand drawing this, I would probably make it so it was more kind of like a not perfect circle, so that it kind of traces the outline like this. But since I'm doing it on the computer, I kind of had to make it a perfect circle. So maybe you want to trace the outside of the sunglasses for your lens. Okay, so pause the video so you can do that. Now that you have your drawing, this is what the end product will look like. So whatever you wrote about it in your future, what you believe you will do, what does your future look like, inside the lenses, you will see, so this person's playing baseball right here, that maybe they talked about the places that they will travel to in their papers, so then they drew that in their lens. Right here looks like the places that they traveled to are in their lens, and that's what they wrote about in their paper. So this person looks like she wants to visit Paris, okay? And then I'm not sure what's going on here, but I want you to draw pictures inside your lens that represent what you talked about in your writing, okay? So what did you talk about you will be doing in your future? That's what you were drawing in your lens. And then you can draw what you look like, okay? So you have the oval of your face, and then you'll draw your hair, you'll draw maybe accessories to go with your sunglasses, your shades, and then you can draw a background. Maybe you want to put polka dots in the background, maybe you want to put stripes in the background, maybe you want to put scenery in the background. It's your choice. Okay, so you can share your project. You will have today, and I'll give you some time tomorrow to also work on this. But you will share your project tomorrow with the class.